Today we're going over how you can earn over $1,000 for playing one app, how to earn watching videos, taking tasks, surveys, etc. How to maximize your earnings with this platform. But before we get into that, let's go over their passive earning partnership and how I can permanently boost your passive income. So let's touch on that first before we dive into it. So up first, we have Honeygain, which you may have heard of before. It is one of the more prominent service providers in this area, which is available both on PC and on just your mobile device. And they're going to provide us with a couple different ways to start earning passively. The main one being sharing your unused bandwidth. So this isn't going to affect your internet in a way that you're going to notice with random lag or anything like that. It's just going to be your unused bandwidth. They also provide a daily task, referrals, achievements, and content delivery. So here's my personal breakdown over the past 30 days. As you can see, there's a bit of a divide right here, with there being a little bit more of the pink earnings over here and a little bit more of the purple over here. And why that is because I just wanted to demonstrate the difference between the content delivery being on and off. And the pinks increased so much because Honeygain is now offering twice as much from their daily reward payout as they were before that increase right there about a week ago. So just leaving it running on my phone today, we've gathered 105 megabits, and from sharing over 15 megabytes, I was awarded 10 extra credits today. And all that's been boosted by 10% just from having my Jumptask wallet linked to this account. They also have little achievements that will pay you out a little bit extra, like their daily check-in pot bonus, where for 7 days, you can see I got 50 credits here. The next one at 14 days giving me 100, and other promotions with their partner Jumptask. Now in the transaction history, they have a breakdown for your daily earnings, and you can also see your payouts. So I received my first payout September 29th of 2024, where I reached my threshold of $20, which you have to do if you don't have your Jumptask account connected, getting that 10% bonus. And I chose to withdraw it in the crypto token, but you can also just get a PayPal payout if that's your preference. Signing up with my promo code, you're gonna get an extra 10 to 25% boost on all of your earnings, as well as a $3 gift right when you create your account. Now, if you're looking to just do it on your mobile device, all you have to do is install the app with the link in the description, sign up, and it will just start earning passively. And if you want to run it on your PC, so you can also get the content delivery, at the top here, you're going to want to come to the download app and download for Windows, Mac, or Linux. And when you do get it all installed, it's going to look a lot like this. All you have to do is sign in and let it run. And if you want the content delivery, you have to just come down here and simply select it on, and then you can just close that down and off you go. You are also able to access it on the computer to get these simple ways of earning money. And if you do access it, it's going to look like this with your earnings up in the top here. And this is where you're going to be able to see your daily payout, as well as they also have their daily rewards and any other rewards that you receive from watching videos or playing games. You're still able to access all the task walls, watch videos, do quick tasks like clicking on a link, and sign up and register for some casinos and offers along those lines. But you'll notice it's nothing like on the app. Okay, now to start earning with Jumptask. So once you get it all installed, it's going to look a lot like this. And you're going to want to come down, get your daily reward, and then keep scrolling. Now the best way to maximize your earnings is coming down to the bottom where we have all tasks here, and you can set the highest to lowest payout tasks for yourself. So right away you'll notice there's a lot more offers here that pay a lot more than on the website. So for example, if I were to select this game here, which is going to be one that I suggest because a lot of the slot game casino type games have a feature where you can just let it play on autoplay and it pretty much never runs out. So for this, you have up to 60 days to just play it, and the more you play, the higher your rewards are going to get, all the way down to level 200, where you're going to get a $60 payout, giving you $130 in total. Looking at AFK Arena here, it's going to be the same concept with games. Now sometimes some of these payouts do require in-app purchases, like these two right here. But as you can see, if you're able to unlock any hero's equipment exclusive to that hero to level 25, you're going to get a $550 payout, all in all totaling $1,137. They do have cool little micro investments like here, where if you install and invest $1, you're going to get $2.50. But one thing to highlight is you want to go through all the offer walls before you finally select the game, because if you choose a game like say puzzles and survivals here, or misplay, which is cool because that's another app that's going to allow you to earn while playing games, so it's like a double up. But if we come back up to the top here and see all of their partners, and for example choose Torox here, if you go through and look, sometimes they'll have the same game but with a greater payout. So for example, I'm pretty sure I saw this Blossom Block game back on the original Jumptask games offer page. So this one's going to give us 27. And then let's see if we can see either of these two, Love Water or Magnet Miner, which are going to give us 55 and 57. So coming to the play to earn, or okay, for all that searching, I'm pretty sure I found a good example. And I'll leave this all in just so you can see the process of why it's worth it. So we have this Hungry Shredder game right here that is paying out 35 cents. But if we go back to here, oh, you can also see that there's this one right here that is going to pay us 25. But also down here is the Hungry Shredder again. And this one is going to give us 12 instead of 0.4 or 0.3. And here's that River Rush that would give us 70 cents here, but $25 on the other offer wall. And you can go through and watch videos, which you have a set amount you can do a day, which is a lot easier on your desktop, where you can just run them all, run the volume down, and come back in a couple of minutes. And also these quick tasks where you simply just click a link, let it stay open for a couple seconds, and you can go back and close it, or do a quick little Google search, star and unstar something real quick. And using my promo code, you're going to get a 10% bonus on your tasks that you complete. Alright, that's Jumptask with Honeygain. Simple, easy, honest, and it's kind of fun. Whether you're saving for something big or just trying to make some extra cash on the side, and if this video helped, it's definitely worth checking out. Give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone that could use a little extra cash too. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay smart, stay curious, and keep acquiring assets.